Hello students, I'm B. Deepika, lecturer in English, working in Sir C.R. Reddy College for Women, Eluru. In this video, I'm going to deal with the 4th semester Communication and Soft Skills Paper 3, which is common for all UG programs. Unit 4, the topic is letter writing. Let us know about letters. Letters are an important means of communication. A letter is a written message sent by one person to another. It is a piece of conversation by post. When we transfer any written message through mail, it can be termed as a letter. Letters are written to express our ideas, information, message, request, complaint to others. In spite of smartphones, SMS, emails, WhatsApp, and other social media that are available to everyone, letters still have a major use and importance in our society. So, everyone should develop letter writing skills. In this video, you are going to learn three things. The first one is types of letters, second one, format of the letter, and the third one, parts of a letter. Firstly, types of a letters. Letters are of two types. They are formal letters and informal letters. Coming to the formal letters, these are written in formal and decent language and follow certain rules with a stipulated format. These are also called official letters. These are written to officials and business associates. Formal letters include official letters, business letters, letters of application, letters of complaint, letters to the editors of newspapers, and others. Coming to informal letters, these are also called personal letters. These are written to friends, relatives, members of our family, etc. Now we discuss format of the letter. The format is very important for writing a letter. We use three types of formats in writing a letter in English. Those are indented format, which is also called traditional format. Second one, blocked format, and the third one is fully blocked format. Let us see indented format. It is also the traditional format. Now observe carefully the structure of the different parts of the letter in this format. In the traditional format, from address and to address starts from the left margin, whereas date, leave taking, and signature are towards the right margin. The body of the letter starts 5 spaces from the left margin. Punctuation marks are compulsory in the from address to address, at the end of the salutation, and at the end of the complementary clause, that means leave taking in indented format. Now coming to the blocked format. In the blocked format, everything starts from the left margin except the date, which is towards the right margin. And the last one is fully blocked format. In the fully blocked format, everything including date starts from the left margin like in the blocked format. So, now coming to the students and examination point of view, any one of the three formats can be used in writing a letter. At present, the fully blocked format is followed for formal and informal letters. Now we see parts of a letter. A letter, either formal or informal, consists of 5 parts. They are heading, greetings or salutation, body of the letter, subscription, and superscription. Now we discuss each part in detail. The first one is heading. It consists of three parts. They are sender's address, date, and receiver's address. While writing sender's address, the following things are to be written: name of the sender, door number, name of the street, and name of the town. While writing date, the date should be written in full form. For example, 22 August 2021, August 22, 2021, 22nd August 2021. But we should not write 22-08-2021 or 22/08/2021. So you should have to avoid writing date in this way. While writing receiver's address, you should include name, position, and address of the receiver. For example, when we are writing a letter to the editor, the address should be the editor, the Hindu, Vishakhapatnam, and in the same way, when a letter is written to the principal of a college, the address should be the principal, Government Junior College, Eluru. Here, you should remember one thing. When informal letters written, receiver's address is not required under the heading. Now coming to the second part of the letter, greetings or salutation. While writing official letters, if we know the gender of the receiver, we write according to the gender either sir or madam. If we are not sure whether the person is a man or a woman, then we use sir/madam. While writing the business letters, if we know the gender, we use dear sir or dear madam. If we are unsure of the gender, then we use dear sir/madam. Now coming to the informal letters, when a letter is written to our blood relations, the salutation is like my dear father, my dear mother, my dear sister or brother. And when the letter is to our friends, the salutation is like dear Yokshita, dear Maunika, etc. So we should not use my dear friend or dear friend. Friend's name is to be written in salutation. And next comes subject. In the formal letter, the subject should be mentioned and it should not be too long. And the subject is mainly to let the reader know the purpose of your letter. For example, request for 2 days leave, details regarding online coaching, complaint about bad condition of roads. So in this way, the subject should be very simple, very brief, and it should not be more than a line. And after the subject comes reference. It's required to mention for the letters of job application, letters in response to the advertisements, and official communication purpose. The third part of the letter is body of the letter. It is the context of the letter, and the body of the letter is divided into three paragraphs. Those are beginning, main content, and ending. In the beginning, we introduce ourselves and write the purpose of the letter. And coming to the main content, we give details of the matter clearly. And the last part is ending. In ending part, we conclude it by mentioning what we are expecting from the receiver. And next comes ending. Ending is end of the body of the letter and it comes before the subscription. And for formal letters, the ending is like Thanking you, sir, hoping to be favored with an early reply. And coming to informal letters, we use the ending like with best wishes, with love, with kind regards, or convey my best regards to your parents. The fourth part of the letter is called subscription. It is also called leave taking or complementary clause. A letter should not be ended abruptly as this would look rude. So, certain forms of polite leave takings are used, and what kind of subscriptions are used to different persons that we see now. When the subscription is to the officials or to the businessman, we use yours faithfully, and when it is to the principal or the headmaster or the teacher, we use yours obediently, and when it is to the strangers, we use yours truly, and when we write a letter to our blood relations, then the subscription should be yours lovingly, yours affectionately. And when the letter is to our friends, we use yours sincerely or yours lovingly. So here, everyone should remember that we should not use apostrophe with yours in the subscription. Now, the last part of the letter is superscription. Superscription means nothing but address on the envelope. It is written very clearly with a pin code. And here, one thing, when we are writing a formal letter, subscription is not necessary because we write superscription under the receiver's address. So, we no need to write it separately. Let us see some example letters. The first one is write a letter to the principal requesting original certificates. Here you can observe that it is a formal letter which is in blocked format. Except the date, everything should be written in left margin. And the second one is write a letter to your friend inviting her for the book fair which is going to held at Vijayawada. And here is the answer. It is an informal letter which is in fully blocked format, that is everything should be written in left margin. And the last example is write a letter to the manager of electricity board complaining about irregular supply of electricity in your area. Here is the answer. It is also a formal letter which is in fully blocked format. Nowadays, everyone are writing letters in fully blocked format. By knowing all the formats, you can write letters easily. Thank you.